Ecovacs has recently introduced its newest cleaning innovation in Vietnam, the Deebot X5 Hybrid, part of their premium X5 series lineup. What sets this model apart from traditional robotic vacuum cleaners is its dual design, which allows users to seamlessly switch between automatic robotic cleaning and manual handheld vacuuming. This flexibility is designed to help keep your home cleaner, faster, and more efficiently than ever before. The Deebot X5 Hybrid offers a unique two-in-one experience, combining the convenience of a self-driving robot vacuum with the targeted power of a handheld cleaner. Users can simply attach a handle to the main body of the robot to transform it into a handheld vacuum for quick spot cleaning or reaching areas the robot cannot easily access. This hybrid design provides versatility that adapts to different cleaning scenarios, from everyday floor maintenance to rapid response on tricky spills or hard-to-reach corners. Unlike many other Ecovacs models, which also include mopping capabilities, the Deebot X5 Hybrid is focused solely on vacuuming. It does not feature any wet cleaning functions, distinguishing it from multi-purpose models like the X5 Pro Omni or X8 Pro Omni, which offer both sweeping and mopping. This specialized focus ensures that the X5 Hybrid maximizes its suction, power, and cleaning efficiency. Speaking of suction, the Deebot X5 Hybrid boasts an impressively strong motor that generates up to 12,800 pascals of suction power, placing it among the top tier in robotic vacuum cleaners currently available. The vacuum's airflow design incorporates a direct pipe structure to optimize suction performance, enabling it to pick up dust, debris, pet hair, and larger particles across multiple surface types, including carpets and hard floors. The robot's body features Ecovacs' signature D-shaped design, which helps improve cleaning around edges and tight corners where dirt often accumulates. The main brush roll has been lengthened compared to previous models, increasing the coverage area with every pass and thus reducing cleaning time. This enhanced brush design works in tandem with the powerful suction to deliver more thorough and effective floor cleaning. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are key strengths of the Deebot X5 Hybrid. It employs ANA 2.0 navigation technology combined with AIV 3D 2.0 sensors that identify and avoid obstacles in its path, including small objects on the floor. This intelligent mapping and object recognition system ensures the robot moves efficiently through your home, minimizing collisions and interruptions and providing precise, thorough cleaning coverage. The accompanying charging station is more than just a dock. It integrates a self-emptying function utilizing pure cyclone technology. This cyclonic suction mechanism automatically transfers dust and debris from the robot's dustbin into a sealed bag within the dock, reducing the frequency with which users must manually empty the robot. This feature significantly cuts down on maintenance effort and helps maintain the robot's suction power over time. In terms of specifications, the Deebot X5 Hybrid is equipped with a high-capacity, 6,400 mAh battery, capable of running for up to 350 minutes on a single charge, depending on the cleaning mode selected. Its compact height of approximately 95 millimeters enables it to clean under most furniture, while connectivity through the Ecovacs Home app allows users to schedule cleanings, monitor progress, and control the device remotely. Voice assistant support is also available via Yeco AI, making hands-free control convenient. Priced around 12.9 million Vietnamese dong in the local market, the Deebot X5 Hybrid offers a compelling proposition for consumers who prioritize strong vacuuming power and desire flexible cleaning options. It suits users who want the convenience of automated floor cleaning, but also the capability to handle localized messes manually without switching devices. In conclusion, the Ecovacs Deebot X5 Hybrid stands out as a thoughtfully designed robot vacuum that adapts to diverse household cleaning needs. Its combination of automatic navigation, high suction power, and the novel ability to convert into a handheld vacuum presents a versatile tool for maintaining a spotless home. The inclusion of a self-emptying charging dock further enhances user convenience by minimizing upkeep. While it emits wet mopping functionality, the X5 Hybrid's focused design and hybrid usability make it ideal for users who seek straightforward, efficient, and flexible vacuuming solutions. With growing demands for smart home appliances that reduce cleaning effort while maximizing performance, The Deebot X50 Hybrid provides a fresh take on robotic vacuum technology, merging automation with manual control in one sleek package. Whether it's routine floor cleaning or urgent spot cleaning, this model adapts to your lifestyle, promising a cleaner living space with less hassle. 4 on Mini.